Hey there, my name's James, one of the co-founders of Portent. We've got some fantastic news to share with you today. We've just released an awesome feature which many people have requested. You can now request information from people when they're signing a contract or a document. So we've got a standard workflow here. It's a contract template which we're requesting to be signed. And we open it, we have a section at the end of it where we're asking the client for some more information like their full name, the address, and a telephone number. We also want them to select which package they want from the proposal, and then below that we want the signature. So if you scroll to the bottom to the request the signature section, you can see we've added two more fields, a text field and a checkbox field. Now when you click these buttons, it inserts in exactly the same way as the signature does. It puts a placeholder at the end of your document. I just want to copy this and then place it in the sections of the document where I want to request information from the user. So I want to have their full name, their address, and also telephone number. And below here, we've got another column. You can't quite see it, but it's here where we want to place some checkboxes for them to select one of these packages. So we've got a button called checkbox where we can insert that, and it's inserted in exactly the same way. And we can copy that and place that in each section of this document here. And then you probably already know how to insert a signature, but just in case you don't, you do exactly the same thing and copy that placeholder, put it into the document. Let's put the date in here too, and then cut that and put it here. Now, when this document is sent, it's going to ask the client to sign this document, but at the same time, it's going to ask them to enter some information. So I'm just going to create a workflow that shows you an example of this. I've got one called Jim and Pam's Wedding. I'm just going to select that and automate it. Now this has been completed, and if I go into my email, I've got this request to sign the document. When I open it up, I can see the document you just saw earlier. And at the bottom here, I've got these text fields. So I can put my name, I live in Sydney, and then my phone number is this. And then I would like the Beats and Battle Axes package. Once I've made sure that all this information is correct, I just click agree. Just like every Portent workflow, it's going to save a copy of this document in your Google Drive. Then it's also going to send a copy to the person who created the workflow and also the person who just signed it. And that's all there is to it. We are really excited about this feature. We can't wait to see how you use it. If you've got any questions or suggestions on how we can improve it, please get in touch. Cheers.